Go. Alright, ready?
Sorry about that, guys. You have a nice evening.
Yeah. That was awesome.
I missed it. I want to see it.
How we doing? Check it out on YouTube.
Go. Go, boss.
Oh my god. Sorry about that.
Go.
Sir, what you looking at? Not looking at porn, sir. Hey, that's my bike, sir. You stole my bike. Just kidding, sir. Have a good day.
Hey, blow the horn now. Blow. Horn. Still good? Yeah.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Well, yeah, you are.
Check it out on YouTube, right? Check it out on YouTube, right?
Alright, well.
And send me a message with your number, too.
No. No. You can get it from here.
Get behind me.
And go. Oh my god, go. Oh god, he's... Oh shit. So good? Yeah.
What was that?
Go, boss.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Sorry to inform you, but they do not give out porn at the Red Box.
Go.
You guys are at Taylor. Why do you guys do that?
You're gonna be on YouTube, son. Be proud.
Awesome.
There we go. Go.
Was that loud? Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Good, good. Can you get it from here? Like, pull it up. Alright, come on back here. Try to record that. Just got pulled over right now for loitering, trespassing at a fucking school zone. I got a court date coming up, class 3 1 misdemeanor.